Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. Are you familiar how to talk about wishes in the present and wishes in the past? If not, or you're not sure how to, stay with me until the end of this video to boost your grammar skills. We'll also have a free grammar quiz at the end to help you practice what you have learned today. Are you excited? Let's get started. Let's start with wishes about the present. I'm sure you found yourself in situations where you wish things were different. Perhaps you're stuck in a dull meeting while your mind drifts somewhere on the beach. In moments like these, we often feel regret. So, to express these feelings, we use the construction I wish followed by the past simple tense. Yes, you are in the present, but you use the past simple after I wish. For example, in the current situation, I'm at work with a very boring task, but my mind is somewhere else, thinking of swimming, and I say, I wish I was swimming in the ocean. Or the weather is pretty miserable outside, and you say, I wish it was sunny. As you can see from the examples, this form I wish plus the past simple refers to the unreal situation, which we want to be real. Now let's turn our attention to situations from the past that we wish we could change to create a better present. For this, we use the construction I wish followed by the past perfect tense. This structure allows us to express regret about past events or decisions. For example, let's imagine in the past that I was going to have an exam very soon, and I was studying to prepare for it. But when the exam day came, I couldn't remember a thing, and I failed. So I missed an opportunity to enter to university. And I might say, I wish I had studied harder for that exam. Or I was in a cozy cafe and I decided to order a big piece of a lovely cheesecake. The cake was so delicious, so I couldn't help myself and ate it all. After that, I felt sick. So I might say, I wish I hadn't eaten so much. Here I use I wish plus the past perfect. Both examples show the possibility of the situation that if only things had been different in the past, my present situation might be different. To avoid making mistakes, you should remember the difference between these two constructions. I wish plus the past simple is used when the situation is in the present and we imagine a different reality. For example, I wish it was sunny. I wish plus the past simple helps us express our desire for something that isn't true right now. I wish plus the past perfect is used when the situation happened in the past and we speculate about some options which could have been taken then. For example, I wish I had studied harder for that exam. I wish plus the past perfect allows to express regret about actions or decisions that have already been made. I wish plus the past simple is about the present. I wish plus the past perfect is about the past. However, it's important to note that in positive expressions like I wish you a Merry Christmas, I wish you good luck, the usage of wish is not about regret. The verb wish here is sincere sentiment or desire. These sentences have positive meaning, focusing on goodwill rather than regret about a different reality. So, while we often use wish to express our regrets about the past or the present, it can also be a beautiful way to share warm wishes with others. I wish that this explanation was clear and helpful. And to check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Thank you for watching and goodbye.